Hello! Today we will be practicing our programming skills on CODEWARS. We have a 7Q kata here called working with arrays 1 and why your code fails in some katas. In this kata, the function returns an array list of numbers without its last element. The function is already written for you and the basic test pass. But random tests fail. Your task is to figure out why and fix it. Good luck. Hint: watch out for side effects. Okay, so I will give you some time to think about it and I will get back to you with my proposed solution right after the break. Alright, we are back. I will be using JavaScript, but you can use also Python here or CoffeeScript. So let's pick Java and let's think about it. Function without last error. Fix it. Error array.pop removes the last element. Return array. Okay, so we have a function called without last. Its input is an array and we are doing array.pop. Array.pop takes the last element and returns it, but if we take the hint, watch out for side effects, the issue with array.pop is that it modifies the original array. So we are modifying the input, and that is not actually something that we would maybe like to be happening. So let's remove that, and let's return array.slice. Slice will allow us for the same thing to be done, so we will create a subarray like a part of the original input from the zero index element to -1, so to the last one, but without it. The difference is that array.slice will actually create something called shallow copy and return it, and that should solve the issue. Let's do a test. And let's attempt. And hey, we're good. Good job. So let's just submit it and see you in the next one.